Hello, we are going to be starting lesson 16 problem set today. This is going to be a 2-day lesson starting on day 1. The first thing you need to do is watch the lesson 16 video first before you attempt to do these 3 problems. I want you to remember to use the read, write, and draw process along with cubes, circling the numbers, underlining the question, boxing keywords, Xing out extra information, and setting the problem up to solve. So this is going to be a very short introduction because there are 2 problems you're going to do with Mr. Waldorf, and then you're going to come and try a couple on your own with your exit ticket being number 3. So I'm going to pause the video, have you pause the video, go and watch video 16 if you haven't already, and then work these problems, and then I will work through with them so that you can see how you did. All right, I'm going to tell you to pause the video. Hey, are you back? I'm sure that you are. So let's go ahead and take a look at our first problem here. We have Frederick, who counted a total, that's an important keyword, a total of 80 flowers in his garden, in the garden. There are 39 white flowers. The rest are pink. Okay, how many flowers are pink? All right, so I've read the problem. I have circled the numbers. I have underlined the question. I have boxed the keywords, total and pink, and the rest were pink. And now I am going to draw I'm going to draw a model of what I'm seeing here. First of all, the total number of flowers was 80. So that's a pretty good hint that my whole is going to be 80. So this is total flowers. Total flowers were 80. And of those total flowers, there were, I'm going to do my next box, there were 39 that were white. The rest of those flowers, which is the unknown, were pink. Okay, so that gives you an idea of what we're going to be doing. If I was going to set up a horizontal equation on what I would need to do, I know that if I take 80, take away 39, it should give me my missing number. So my vertical equation would be 80, take away 39 will equal my unknown. So I'm going to take this equation, I am going to now put it in a vertical equation, making sure that I line up my 1s with my 1s and my 10s with my 10s. Now I am going to do the chip model. Here's my 1s, here's my 10s. I'm looking at 80, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 10s, and 0 1s. 8 10s, 0 1s, and I am going to be taking away 39. I want to take a good look at my whole, like we've been doing, taking a good look at my whole, and then what I am going to do is decide 0 take away 9 or 9 from 0. Well, since there isn't anything there, I know that I'm going to have to decompose a 10 or unbundle a 10. So I'm doing that now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Unbundling the 10. And now if I started off with 0 10s, now I have 10 10s. And because I decomposed one of those 10s, I know that I now only have 7 10s left. So 10 1s take away 9 1s. I'm going to take away 9 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That leaves me with 1. And 7 10s, which I have now, take away 3 of those 10s. 7 take away 3. 1, 2, 3 leaves me with 4. So I know that 80 take away 39 is 41. How do I know? Because I still have 4 10s and 1 1, which means my missing number is 41. Therefore, I know that there are, I always need to write a written answer, there are 41 pink flowers. There are 41 pink flowers. All right, so if you got 41 pink flowers, you should give yourself a nice big smiley face for your work. Let's come down and look at problem number 2. The clothing store had 42 shirts. After selling some, I don't know how many were sold, there were 16 that were left. How many shirts were sold? Well, I can see that I need to set up a bar model or a tape model. I know that there were 42 shirts all together before any were sold, so that is most likely what I'm going to put up here as 42. This would be 42 total shirts. 42 total shirts. And after selling some, well, some were sold, there were going to be 16 were left. So this is how many that were left after some, but I don't know how many were sold. So I'm trying to find out the number that was sold. All right, so I can see that my equation is going to be 42 take away 16 will give me my unknown. 42 take away 16 equals the unknown. My whole take away my part will give me my part. Whole take away part gives me my part. So now I am going to rewrite my horizontal equation into a vertical equation. Oops, it's not addition, Miss Star. Nope, not addition. Okay, so let's start with our chip model. Here's my 1s, here's my 10s. I have 4 10s and 2 1s. And I'm going to look very closely at my whole to decide whether or not I'm going to have to decompose a 10. 2 1s take away 6 1s. Can I take 6 away from 2? Well, I only have 2 available, so I think I'm going to need to decompose a 10. So I'm going to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once I decompose a 10, I went from having two 1s to now having 12 1s. I'm going to put that 12 1s up there. I used to have 4 10s, but now I only have 3 10s because I have redistributed them. The value is still the same: 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. My whole is still the same. That has not changed. But I have exchanged that for 3 10s and 12 1s. 12 1s take away 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Leaves me with 6 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 3 10s take away 1 10. I'm going to take away another 10. 3 10s take away 1 10 is 2 10s. 2 10s are left. So I know that the number of shirts that were sold was 26, because 42 take away 16 equals 26. There were 26 shirts sold. Bing, 26 shirts that were sold. And now, my friends, you need to try the exit ticket all by yourself. Don't forget to use cubes and read, write, and draw, and then send that to your teacher. Have a great day of learning.